In this video, I'll show you how to connect Knowi to Gorgias and turn your support ticket data into a live dashboard straight from the REST API and no manual exports needed. First, we'll go over to the Queries tab in Knowi, and then we'll select New Data Source. We'll select the REST API connection. For data source name, this is just an internal label, so you'll identify this connection in Knowi. For REST host, we'll just paste in the base URL of your Gorgias API. So this is something you'd find in your Gorgias account. So the example here would just be replaced with your specific domain for whatever your Gorgias account is. We're going to keep the authentication type basic. And then the only two parameters you need to fill in is your user ID and password. So this is your Gorgias login email and password. Once you've got those parameters filled in, test the connection, and when we see it successful, we can go ahead and press save. Now we're ready to start querying. Now we're in the REST API query builder. First, I'll go ahead and give our dataset a name. We can see that the data source that we're building our query from is that Gorgias demo that we just built out together. For the endpoint, I'm going to go ahead and use tickets. So we'll pull all of our Gorgias tickets. There are lots more endpoints that you can explore with Gorgias, like customers, events, and things like that, and you can reference their documentation if you want to pull different data types. For the URL params, I'll set the limit to 100. So this is pulling up 100 tickets per page. We don't need any headers. For pagination, Gorgias uses cursor-based paging, so we've set the response field name to meta.next_cursor, and then the URL parameter name to cursor. Here, Knowi will keep paginating until it's pulled everything. In the Cloud9 QL transformations, we'll select data to pull into Knowi, and then we're going to expand that data to unnest the tickets array from the response into clean, flat rows. You don't need to fill in anything else here. I'll set my data strategy to run daily, and I'll have it run overnight. And then can create and run.